Hello everyone, this is Sensuous1 and this is my nature nail art entry for Blue Moon Nails 1, her nature contest. So these are the items that my son has picked for me to use out of the garden and just from out of the yard. These little flowers here, I used a hole punch and punched out some little pieces. Haven't quite decided what I'm going to do, just getting some little pieces together. And let's see how it turns out. Now I'll try to make this quick because I'm not able to edit this video. So we're going to start with just the base nail. And I probably won't be talking much, but you'll be able to see what I'm doing. What's this one do first? Can you see me? And right here I'm just building some color on the nail to kind of get a base to work with. And then we'll start adding some of the things we got from outside. Maybe we can start with this is the centerpiece from one of these flowers here. Not quite sure how this is going to turn out, guys. This is my first time doing this. Sorry, my hand is in the way. Just trying to see what I'm going to do here. There was another little cute piece I saw. Trying to get the little cutesy ones. It's too big. Where's that little one? And these are just the little punched out pieces that I did from the flower. dent nail. I'm just trying to add some dimension right now. Just add some little pieces here and there. And I'm going to put this sprig in there somewhere. And there's a shadow. Make sure there's not a shadow in the video. If you can help it. I lost a piece I just had. Alright, so then the little piece I have on the bottom, just chop it off. And then we're going to encapsulate. Can you see their shadow? Okay, so there's some small pieces hanging off the bottom, but once this nail sets, I'll be able to file it off. And I'll give you a little closer look of it right now. Because I'm not able to edit this from my iPhone, I'm going to let it set and file and buff it, and then I'll come back to show you part 2.